ladies and gentlemen, Rana. Please can I have you? Well done. Give it up for Rana, ladies and gentlemen. Teja Sajja, Akul Balaji. I love the way Abhishek Banerjee is cheering for them. You can cheer for them louder, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Vijay Raghavendran, Satish, Dia Menon, Pearly Mane, Sudev Nair, Rashi Khanna, Rockstar DSP, Pragya Jaiswal, Regina Cassandra, Shane Nigam, Malashri, Aradhana, all of them together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's called magnum opus. This is what's called larger than life. This is what's called the spirit of Indian cinema. Can I request all our legends, stars, actors, performers to please face the camera together. This is that epic photo opportunity. All right. Please, I request all of you to remain on stage. Give it up for all of them, ladies and gentlemen, please. Rana, it's going to be epic, man. Abu Dhabi is so excited. We're excited. And look at this. I can feel the gravitas of the situation with the greatest performers on stage. Please tell us what we're going to be expecting on stage with AIFA Utsavam.
Wow. First, hello, good afternoon. Man, after you speaking, my voice sounds like I can't say anything, dude. So firstly, thank you, AIFA, for having us here. And what I'm actually excited about is I just saw all the sponsors. So years ago, AIFA used to have like biscuits and they used to give us a little basket of goodies. Now I think we have Mysore funding us to buy Shobha apartments and we have Nexa cars to go back in. Ease My Trip is just going to get us planes and Z is going to finance all our films. So thank you. Thank you, Abu Dhabi. Thank you, Yas Island, for having us. This is the first time for the Utsavam being here. And we'll have a great night. Thank you.
I love the way Sabas was so happy hearing the sponsors and him saying, well done. Sir, we will be chatting with a few of our other friends. But how about a few lines for our friends in Yas Island, Abu Dhabi? We can make it an entertainment show right here, right now. So yeah, let's do this. How many of you want to hear a few lines of his song? I love it. So all right. Kriti, you want it? Ready? Okay.
Hi guys, hi everyone, and hi Abu Dhabi, hi AIFA. Okay, before I start singing, I think I would like to sing something for Kriti because she was one of the persons who put her hand up. And I also need to tell you that I'm so proud to say that Kriti's debut film was with us, you know, One Ne Nokkar Ne, and oh my God, you have to say it.
आओ तो जो मोक करता अभी ये कोंकणी लैंग्वेज है तो ये किसी को नहीं समझ में आएगी बट यू एक्सप्लेन
Guys, don't feel jealous. She just said I love you. Me too. So this is a song that I made for Kriti for Ne Nokkar Ne film. That was her first song, and I'm really proud of you, Kriti. And Suku sir and I were talking a lot about you, the way you have grown and the place you have reached. Let's give it up for Kriti first. That song goes like, Aao tu zo mo karta, aao tu zo mo karta, aao tu zo mo karta, rockstar me. So that's the song. Kriti, you killed it, and all the best for all your endeavors. And then I'm really so happy to be here, and really lovely to see my friends, the one and the only Arre Nati Rana, and the one who looks decent but the very indecent Sajja. Teja Sajja neeku ledu siggu lajja. I like that.
సాయంత్రం మైక్ నా దగ్గర ఉందన్న సాయంత్రం నీ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ నేను ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళి ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను
మైక్ ఎక్కడున్నది అన్నది కాదు మా మ్యాటర్ మాట ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అన్నది ఆన్సర్ సో నౌ ఐ థింక్ యూ గైస్ కెన్ kind of get a gist of what's going to be happening on the stage, so beware of your eyes, ears and everything that you own when you're going to attend this show. Okay, so we are going to have fun on the stage, And right now, I would just like to say to Abu Dhabi, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa. Thank you, guys.
I love the way he was disclosing a lot of cards, saying one is rowdy and one is indecent. I can feel the chemistry right feeling inside. Are you ready for a cracker of a show? How are you both of you preparing to host? Are you thinking of things on the spot? Are you rehearsing? How's it looking like?
Question is over, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have only one script, sir. If you ask me anything, I will tell off over here.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Sure.
So let's keep it for the evening, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir, big fan of the legendary work. Give it up for Sir. You know, really, we need your blessings for the award, sir. And like I said, love the kind of work you've done. What would you like to tell all your fans here, sir?
Vanakkam. Thank you, Aifa, for creating this great event and this space. It's nice. We are all from India. It's not south or north or east or west. We're all together in the same space. That makes us stronger. The bonding is deeper. Understanding is deeper. So thank you. I'm excited as a last fan in the last row because it's the first IFA award function I'm participating. My wishes to whoever, my friend Andrew, Sudesh and everything. Happy. I'm very happy to be here and I'm really getting excited to watch the event. Thank you.
And we all need your blessings, sir. Thank you so much. Give it up for Sir, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to come there. Rashi, I mean, look at this. The best of all industries coming together as one team. I know you're very, very happy. We're so happy. It's going to be epic. What are your feelings about IFA Utsavam?
Hello, Abu Dhabi. I'm very excited that IFA this time has sort of blended the north and the south. And as Sir said, that we are one industry today. So very, very happy and very, very proud of that fact. Looking forward to all the performances that are going to happen. And mine as well. I'm very excited about my own as well. So looking forward to all these lovely people performing, everyone who's attending, and I've heard that a lot of people are attending, so I'm very happy about that. Thank you to Andre, to Sabas, and to Viraf for putting it all together and making it bigger and better every year. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'd request all of you to remain on stage because I'm going to request our sponsors to come for a photo opportunity with our Galaxy of Stars. Can I request all our sponsors, please come up on stage. And ladies and gentlemen, give it up for IFA Utsavam. You know what? You can make it feel like a stadium now. Come on, you can cheer for them, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the pulse. Ladies and gentlemen, blockbuster written all over. Performers, hosts, legendary actors, people who are changing the game, the trendsetters. Like they say, itihas ye log banate hai. This is history together. Thank you so much to the entire Utsavam team and the Galaxy of Stars, and of course, our sponsors as well. Taliyon ki goonj inke liye, ladies and gentlemen. I can feel the weight of the performers on the stage as well. Looks like DSP wants to do another song only. Thank you. I can feel the chemistry of our hosts also now. Can I please have on stage Mr. Sabas Joseph once again to talk about something very close to his heart.
Can we get the pens? can I please request Ashish Parak from Shobha Group to join us? Use this platform to tell the world that you and your viewers and everyone around can make a difference, because we can't do this alone. None of our friends out here can do this alone. We need each and everyone in this room to passionately take this message and implement it in this life. It's nothing that is corporate out here, it's personal. We're requesting you for personal commitment to every woman in your life and beyond. We together can make this happen. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to the galaxy of stars and of course, our cause partnership. We all can make a difference with the smallest steps and of course, it's big impact.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you to everybody on stage. I request Sabas to remain back for our next big announcement. IFA with a heart, IFA with a soul. Ladies and gentlemen, it's always about giving it back to society.
So I is no longer just for IFA. I is for each one of us, and I can make a difference. The one and only Ramesh Sippy, director of the one and only Sholay, and one of the founding members of the advisory. Kuberam Film City coming up in Goa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, friends.
Thank you so much, Sabas. Thank you, Sabas, for doing this from your heart always. Thank you, sir. Thank you. तालियों की गूंज इन सब के लिए, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vicky Kaushal, Kriti Sanon, Ananya Pandey, and of course, our IFA Rocks host Siddhant and Abhishek Banerjee. दोनों आ जाइए please stage पर. A photo opportunity for all our friends here. IFA Rocks and IFA performers on stage. Each one of them has changed the game when it comes to acting and performing, truly the flag bearers of new age Indian cinema. Can we hear it for Shahid Kapoor, please? Shahid, I'm so proud of you. You're like family to IFA. And, you know, I've been hearing people saying they're really dying to hear you talk. So, please address your fans.
तू ना पहले सबको कवर करते रहता है. The person who's behind you while we were sitting there is always wondering, should I move, should I stay there? So I just thought we'll walk to you and you can ask us all the questions, Siddharth.
अब आप अपने fans को address करिए. Big performance coming up for IFA.
Good afternoon. How is everybody doing today? Excited for tonight and tomorrow? Firstly, I'm most excited to see all the people here for Utsavam. I think extremely delayed. So I would like to apologize for the fact that it hasn't happened all this time. But it's so nice to have you guys here and to see that, you know, you're going to be performing and we're excited to see you all perform. So a big round of applause, please, guys. I'm most excited for this side of the bench. We've been doing this for long enough, so it's really exciting to see all these guys here this year. And yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun this year performing. So is Vicky, so is Kriti, so is Ananya. You're also performing, and Siddharth is also performing. He is hosting, and you're also hosting. Okay, so we're all doing something. Great to be here, and looking forward to a great night tomorrow and tonight.
Thank you so much. Abhishek, we got a sneak peek आप दोनों के hosting के बारे में in Mumbai as well. But Abu Dhabi के हमारे सारे दोस्त would love to see both of you hosting. It's a great combination.
Yeah, and I think as Nasir sir said that I think I'm also going to be watching all the stars performing. So I think this is the first time I'm attending any big Bollywood event and like all the stars coming together. तो मजा आने वाला है और बाकी सिद्धांत और मैं अपनी मस्करी करते रहेंगे. Let's see how it goes. आप चाहोगे तो मैं ले आऊँगा.
Give it up for Vicky Kaushal, ladies and gentlemen. Dancer par excellence, actor par excellence. Vicky, we've all been big fans of yours, and I know how much you love IFA as well.
Hello. Hi, good afternoon, guys. IFA and me share a very special relationship. It's their third time in Abu Dhabi, and it's my third time in Abu Dhabi with IFA. My first ever award I had received as an actor was with IFA for my debut film. My first ever Best Actor award was with IFA. And I hosted IFA last time and I'm hosting this time also. I'm performing as well. But this time it's a little bit more special because I'm hosting with the most special human being, and that's Shah Rukh Khan. You know, all these sunglasses that I'm wearing, and of course it's part of vanity because we all love vanity as actors, but it also comes along with working with a man who works for 24 hours straight with a smile on his face, and that's Shah Rukh Khan, sir. It's only since like a couple of hours before we were on stage rehearsing for our show, and that's why I'm just wearing glasses so that, you know, you don't think I was partying all night. But looking forward to just having a great time. We always receive so much love from the people of Abu Dhabi, and it's only multiplying every year. So thank you so much for having us here. Thank you to the team of IFA. Thank you to our friends in media, and thank you to just people all across the globe who've been giving love to the Indian cinema. year on year and year after. So thank you so much, and I'm very happy to be just a small part of this beautiful celebration of Indian cinema. Thank you.
Welcome back, Kriti, as well. Kriti, it's going to be a bigger year, a grander year for all of us. And I'm sure you're feeling on top of the world too.
I am. Hello everyone. Hi. I'm very very excited. मेरी और विकी की स्पीच थोड़ी सी सिमिलर होने वाली है बिकॉज मेरा भी ये थर्ड टाइम है अबू धाबी में एंड येस फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट डेब्यू अवार्ड टू द फर्स्ट बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस व्हिच आई गॉट विद you, I think, when you got your first Best Actor, to performing last year, you know, in this very arena where the show is happening again. Amazing audience. I think Abu Dhabi ने जितना हम लोगों को प्यार दिया है, you know, we keep coming back. I am too excited for, of course, Utsavam. And after seeing you two here on this stage, I'm really excited for your hosting. You know, I think it's going to be really funny. मुझे जितना समझ में आएगा आप थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश में भी बात कर लेना हिंदी में भी कर लेना तेलुगु ज़्यादा नहीं समझ में आएगी बट आई थिंक you're damn good and you guys will really kill it. You were damn funny here right now. I couldn't stop laughing. And of course the IFA award show, I'm really excited about performing as well, but I'm excited about two other people. More excited than anything else, of course, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan hosting again, performing this time. You know, I've seen him perform and host multiple award shows. You know, from my childhood when I used to watch him on TV to live, and he's doing it after a very long time, and I'm really excited to see him. There's no one better than him. And another performance that I'm very excited about is Rekha ma'am. You know. रेखा मैम को मैंने एक बार आईफा में परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा था बैंकॉक में अबू धाबी you're gonna witness the most magical performance of your life because she is too good, like there is no one like her, and I'm going to be there watching her perform सामने से front seat, so I've booked that. But I hope you guys enjoy the show and thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ananya Pandey. Like the other day we were talking, it looks like Ananya Pandey is here. You've been expansion. We're so proud of you. And now at IFA. It's a magical year, right?
It is. Hello, everyone. It's my second time with IFA. My first ever stage performance was with IFA. And here I am performing again. And I'm so excited about everything, starting with Utsavam and the green carpet. It's always so impact-driven. And this year, the fact that it's about women empowerment and everything that Shobha is doing, I think it's extra special. So I'm really excited to see my favorite people, everyone here on stage. I got to dance with Shahid last year, but this year I'll be clapping for him, and Rekha ma'am, and Shah Rukh sir, and Kriti, and Vicky, and Sid, and Abhishek. It's going to be amazing. I'm just here as a fan and as an audience, and guys, you're going to have the best time ever. I know I am. So yeah, I'm really excited.
And I'm sure we're going to have the best time ever with Siddhant also being one of the hosts. Siddhant, this is going to be a smasher, I'm sure.
यार मैं सुन रहा था कि किसी का थर्ड टाइम है किसी का फोर्थ टाइम है यार मैं वर्जिन हूँ आईफा वर्जिन हूँ मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि यू नो सच एन ऑनर टू बी ऑन द सेम स्टेज विद शाहिद with Vicky, with Abhishek, with Kriti, with Ananya, and all of you guys. I've been a huge fan, and it's such an honor that, you know, thanks to IFA, that this is happening. This is actually happening. We are all coming together on one stage as an Indian cinema, you know, representing. So I'm very excited, and well, I have a very good co-host with me. तो मैं तो बहुत मजे करने वाला हूँ. आप भी करने वाले हैं? हैं? थोड़ा जोर से यार जोश दिखाओ. How's the जोश? बिल्कुल. So I'm gonna have a great time, and I'm looking forward to all the performances and, well, Rana sir, party, after party.
All right, the party continues right here. Like they say, you save the best for last, because I've been giving a lot of requests saying that you must get her to sing a few lines on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the mesmerizing voice and performer, Shilpa Rao on stage, please. You're going to be seeing her at IFA Rocks. Louder. She's going to be sizzling the stage. And how? Taliyon ki goonj, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on stage. You also have a big performance coming up. And first of all, I'd like you to speak about your performance. And of course, after that, we'd love you to sing a few lines as well, please.
I think what art and music do is bring people together. And India is so diverse, which is my favorite thing about my beautiful country. And we speak different languages, we eat different food, we wear different clothes. But then when it comes to art and music, we end up singing a song जिसके lyrics हमको शायद पता ही नहीं है और समझ में नहीं आते. But that's what music and art do, and the films do, that we end up singing and representing each other, and IFA is doing that this time. So more power to everyone in this room to do that.
And of course, how many of us want to see a live performance right here? So over to you.
तालियां बजाओगे? Is it no लय में ताल में ऐसे 1 2 3 4 come on. हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने, बहुत ही तंग किया अब तक इन ख्यालों ने, नशा चढ़ा जो शरीफी का, रियाज लगेगा, बेशरम रंग कहाँ देखा दुनिया वालों ने, हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने. Thank you so much.
Wow, so you got a sneak peek what's happening at IFA Rocks?
मैम अगर आप लास्ट लाइन, हाँ नहीं वैसा आप कर सकती हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैम अगर लास्ट लाइन अगर आप वो गाएंगी
For sure.
तो वहाँ से मैं रैप उठा लूंगा कुछ रोमांटिक टाइप.
रैप उठा लो. Okay.
मैं रैप उठा लूंगा.
Okay, रैप उठा लो.
आप आवाज
Okay, here we go. वे मैं ता चलेया तेरी ओर तेरा चलेया है जोर तेरी होई मैं यार वे भूले आए संसार वे.
कहता कुछ नहीं ना बोली तुम भी ज्यादा नहीं, बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं, खामोशियों से छू लो मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको, देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं, बताए राज जो रात आसमान को, बता दूं तुझको वो भी आज सारे रात को, बैठो पास मेरे हाथों में हाथ दो, बताओ तुम भी जो किसी से कभी कहा ना हो, शहरों के शोर से और तेरी बातें लोरी सी, गाड़ियों की दौड़ से निकल पड़ी थी जिंदगी जो तुम आई ठहर गया, टूटा तारा था मैं बिखर गया निकल गया मैं ढूंढने फलक वहीं फर्क नहीं, लोगों से चांद तारे तोड़ लें अब किसी का डर नहीं, उंगली रख दे जहां तू चले वहीं बना दूं आजा तेरे नाम अंतरिक्ष पे एक सड़क नहीं. पाजी विकी पाजी.
You know, I just slightly put it at Vicky कि यार एक पंजाबी गाना हो जाए यार. Vicky demand यार.
Sid, there's a difference between गाना सुनना और गाना गाना. मुझे गाना सुनना अच्छा लगता है.
तू कल अपने इंस्टा पे तू जिम के अंदर गा रहा था, हाँ, और वो तेरा बंदा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था. अब यहाँ पे तू चश्मा पहन, एक तो पहले तूने बोला कि जिसने भी काला चश्मा पहना है वो सब पार्टी करके हैं, यहाँ पे सब उतार रहे हैं 1 by 1. तूने तो शाहरुख सर का नाम ले लिया और तेरे पंजाबी गाने के भी नाम जाने नहीं वाले हैं यहाँ से. You have owned it.
Vicky, we are obsessed.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा तुझे. अरे पंजाबी गाना तो तू ऐसे बिहेव करे, you're behaving like a virgin of Punjabi songs. You're not.
But actually,
he is the virgin we've established.
सुना है, हाँ?
Okay. हाँ, I've been. Thanks, Shahid. Okay, I'll. Since the time I've come to Abu Dhabi, I feel like my name's changed from Vicky Kaushal to. So we'll just attempt that where we'll sing it together. What do you say? Yeah? Husn tera. Yeah, start from the start. This is the start. It just goes tana tana tana. Husn tera toba 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 toba. Husn tera toba 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 toba. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, इतना ही आता है. बाकी करण औजला सर भी आ रहे हैं, उनसे सुन लीजिएगा. By the way, for Rana sir, I just wanted to say something. Sorry. You know, with Rana sir, we bumped for the first time into each other in the gym in Mumbai. And I just walked in early in the morning and he was there working out. And all of a sudden I saw him and I was like, Rana sir, because I don't know, for some reason, I just always see him fighting a bull. And I believe that, you know. And he always keeps saying, hey, what is this, sir? Yeah, what is this, sir? I'm like, yaar, main kya karoon? I can only say sir. But what I've witnessed today, your energy and your vibe, for the first time, I'm being able to call you Rana as a friend. So, and I'm sure you're gonna befriend everybody in UAE with your lovely energy. Rana. Yes. No, but now I want to party with you.
सब यहाँ देख लोगे तो
आप
कल
आइए.
क्या देखोगे?
जो आप इतना तौबा बोल रहे हैं, अब आइए. आप विनर है कॉन्टेस्ट के, आइए आप.
अब वो बोल रहे हैं तौबा तौबा.
आइए ना सर. आइए सर, आइए. अरे सर आइए ना आप. विकी आपके लिए तो वेट कर रहा था, अब करेगा वो पूरा स्टेप करेगा. गाइस कम ऑन यार, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज यार. आइए सर. विकी ओवर टू यू.
Thanks, Shahid. Come, sir. What's your name, sir?
राजीव.
राजीव जी, आप क्या करते हैं? आप इंजीनियर हो? मैं भी होते होते रह गया, फिर एक्टर बन गया मैं. Should we do Tauba Tauba together? Sir, even I never danced before this. And I got the best compliment today from Shahid saying... I will try because... Okay, can I teach you how to do the Tauba Tauba step? उनको आता है? Okay, it's very simple. Rajiv ji, idhar aaiye. Two engineers together. We'll dance on Tauba Tauba. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. करे? अरे करना है अभी. Thank you क्या? अब मैं सीख गया हूँ, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. Okay, let's try. 1, 2. हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा तौबा.
विकी ये पंजाबी भांगड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है. It is.
मेरा जो first rehearsal with Bosco looked exactly like this.
Vicky, I'm going to proxy Mr. the engineer here. Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm Akul. I'm going to be hosting South Utsavam. Okay, Vicky, can we?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. हुस्न तेरा तौबा.
Woo!
No wonder he came on stage with more confidence than me on this step.
Vicky, I want to do this with you. Yeah. I also request my dear co-host Raghavendra Vijay. He's a huge fan of the step and he's been dancing this for every reality show of ours.
He just gave an expression like...
अच्छा ये स्टेप वेब तो गाना नहीं बज सकता क्या? गाइस गाना तो बजा दो, स्टेप तो सब कर.
गाना मुझे
अरे मतलब मैं कहीं भी मैंने गलती कर दी माइक लेके.
Guys, give it up for Vicky. He's going to perform for us today. Okay.
Are we playing the song or singing the song? We should sing the song.
If the song is there, you can play it.
So we all sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
बस इसके बाद ये गाएगा.
I also know when she goes like stop.
Wow.
Oh, now the song is playing after embarrassing.
नहीं दूंगा. अपना ले लो ना यार. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ.
Shahid, साड़ी के फॉल सा must be done, sir. I just want to give you a trivia. Before Toba Toba happened, before like any of my films happened, when my college friends got married, for 3 years straight on Sangeets, I was performing on only one song. So,
हम विकी को लाए हैं, वो सबका परफॉर्मेंस करेगा. ये तू साथ में कर मेरे. नहीं मैं तेरा वाला स्टेप करता हूँ चल. मुझे वो आता नहीं लेकिन बस तू सिखा दे. क्विक वाला ये 1 2 3. Anything you say. क्या करना है? Somebody has to sing but are you all going to sing? I can't hear you guys. Yeah, आप तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आप यहीं बस जाइए.
We have Abhishek Banerjee singing.
No, you are singing here.
You don't
I'm
leave
just the
from here,
chorus.
brother. This is where the party is. Rana, leave your phone, Rana. Come. Come, we do Sarika Fall. Brother, come. Everybody. Put your hands together, everybody. Oh, aa jao. Come on, boys, come on. Come on, boys, come on. Leave your coffee, boys, come on. Yes.
हमने इतना
Come on,
बुरा
Rana,
गाया
come on,
कि उन्होंने
Rana.
गाना लगा दिया.
This is a Utsavam. Come on,
Put
okay.
the song now.
All the boys.
They put the song now.
The music's playing. Okay, great. Rana, come. Come, Kriti. Why don't you all come? Come. Regina, please join us. Please join us. Please, come. Rashi, come. Don't hide. Come. We'll all do this. Come on. Which one? Brother. Arey, Kumblingi nice brother, Rajao. Come, please come, please come, please come, please come, please come. You also come now, please come, please come. Please come, please. Come. Bas, yeah, no, we're going home after this press conference. This was the performance. Yeah, Andre, come, Andre. No, Andre, come, Andre. Andre, come, brother. This is the spirit of IFA, brother. Otherwise, I open your clothes, brother. You come with me up. Come on, Andre. Yes, Andre, come. Sir, you'll join us? Sir, just join us, sir. Sir, just join us, sir. It's just for the spirit. Please, sir. Everybody, guys, put your hands together. You have all the performers on stage. All right. Okay. Vicky, I need you. No, sir. Sir, you come in center, sir. Sir, tonight is Utsavam night, sir. You are center, sir. Where is Rana, sir? Yes, Rana, sir. Please, sir. Everybody, sir. It's very simple step, sir. What? Okay, one more time. Sir, yes, sir. You also come, sir. Okay. Yeah, just play the sound loud. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, everybody. All right, Rana. Woo. Rana.
Come on, Rana.
No, don't stop, Rana. Come on. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Can everyone please hold up on stage? Hold on. Just hold on.
Savas, you also want to do it? Be honest.